The rules of life for women. Dress well no matter what the occasion. Never let anyone makes us feel inferior or unworthy. Never settle for less than we deserve in a relationship. Learn to forgive but never forget own worth. Learn a high income skill. Never be afraid to challenge societal norms and stand up for what we believe in. Support and uplift other women instead of tearing them down. Never compromise the values and beliefs for the sake of others. Never go broke to impress others. Learn to say no. Practice self love and self care regularly. Avoid toxic relationships.